Smoking is injurious to health. Smoking causes cancer. പുകവലി ആരോഗ്യത്തിന് ഹാനികരം. പുകവലി അർബുദത്തിന് കാരണമാകുന്നു.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are an action crime movie lover, then The Gangster, The Cop, The Devil is a must-watch movie. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it, and share the video with everyone. Now let's go to the cinema. The Gangster, The Cop, The Devil is a 2019 South Korean action crime film directed by Lee Won-tae that is based on a true story. The film stars Ma Dong-seok, Kim Moo-yeol and Kim Sung-kyu. In the film, a gangster and a cop join forces to capture a serial killer for their respective purposes, but they face challenges from their respective enemies. The Gangster, The Cop, The Devil was released theatrically in South Korea on the 15th of May 2019, and was also screened in the Midnight Screenings section at the 2019 Cannes Film Festival as well as at the 2019 Fantasia International Film Festival. After a man's car is hit by a stranger, the stranger kills him as he takes pictures of the damage to submit to his car insurance. Yoon Tae-suk is a cop who goes through the crime scene and suspects it to be the work of a serial killer, but his commanding officer does not believe him. Jung Dong-soo is a crime boss who, while on his way home after a meeting, is hit by the same killer, who tries to kill him as well. A brutal fight ensues, leaving both of them injured. Finally, the killer escapes after hitting Dong-soo with his car. Dong-soo is admitted to the hospital, and his henchmen assume that the attack was committed by a rival gang, whom they counterattack. However, Dong-soo believes the killer was not a rival gang member as his moves seem to be random and purposeless. Tae-suk visits Dong-soo at the hospital and asks him to cooperate so that the police can catch the killer for him, but Dong-soo refuses. Instead, Dong-soo orders his men to find the killer. Using a sketch and Dong-soo's memory of the killer's license plate, they manage to find his car and a knife. Dong-soo eventually informs Tae-suk of the findings, and they decide to team up to catch the mysterious killer. Dong-soo agrees to provide manpower and cover expenses, but on the condition that the killer belongs to the one who finds him first. Dong-soo wants to kill him for revenge while Tae-suk wants to arrest him in order to solve 5 connected murder cases and eventually get promoted. Meanwhile, Dong-soo orders his right-hand man, Kwon Oh-sung, to kill his rival Heo Sang-do with the killer's knife that already has traces of blood from the killer's previous victims. An enraged Tae-suk gets into a fight with Dong-soo upon learning what he has done as the killing is confirmed to be the work of a serial killer, causing the case to be transferred to the major case squad. Dong-soo attends Sang-do's funeral. The killer also turns up and informs Sang-do's second-in-command that Sang-do was killed with the killer's knife, but by someone else. When Tae-suk and Dong-soo check the killer's car for any evidence, they are attacked by Sang-do's henchmen. A fight ensues, resulting in the death of Sang-do's right-hand man while in a fight with Tae-suk. Dong-soo gets him buried and clears the scene. Tae-suk gets assigned to investigate a kidnapping case and, while solving it, spots the killer. A chase ensues, but the killer is able to escape. Through forensic test, Tae-suk discovers the killer to be a missing person. He informs Dong-soo about this and lets him hear a voice clip to confirm the missing person is the killer. Later, Dong-soo helps a high school girl by giving her his umbrella but soon learns that the girl has been murdered and his umbrella was found at the crime scene. Dong-soo and Tae-suk and their men start looking for the killer in the area where the girl was murdered and eventually find him in a car. In the ensuing chase, the killer manages to kill Oh-sung but is finally captured and incapacitated by Dong-soo. Dong-soo takes the killer away to torture and kill him, but Tae-suk tracks them down and crashes his car into the hideout just as Dong-soo is about to kill the killer. Tae-suk hits Dong-soo with his car and arrests the killer. The police have no conclusive evidence against the killer, Kang Kyung-ho. As a last resort, Tae-suk asks Dong-soo, the sole survivor of the attacks, to testify. Simultaneously, Tae-suk threatens to release a tape of Dong-soo's confession of having Sang-do killed. During Kyung Ho's trial, Dong-soo arrives to testify and provides decisive testimony. Dong-soo successfully predicts the existence of a stab wound on Kyung Ho's body, previously inflicted by Dong-soo during their first encounter. Dong-soo also provides misleading evidence framing Kyung Ho for Sang-doo's murder. The court sentences Kyung Ho to death. However, Dong-soo is also arrested due to his illegal activities. Tae-suk is finally promoted while Dong-soo is sent to the prison where Kyung Ho is kept, the condition which Dong-soo had requested Tae-suk to fulfill in exchange for the testimony followed by his arrest. Spotting Kyung Ho, Dong-soo gleefully enters prison. While Kyung Ho is showering, he is confronted by Dong-soo with a rope in his hand and a smile on his face. If you like this movie, like and share it. If you have seen this movie, don't forget to write your comments about the movie in the comment box. Those who haven't seen it, definitely watch it. The link to the movie is given in the description box. If you like this movie, please like and share it. See you in the next video. Thank you. Until then, greetings.